Hey y'all, it's me, Miss B, and today we're talking about the limit of a function, the limit of a polynomial, and the limit of a root. Okay, regardless of, starting with the limits of a constant function, so regardless of what number x is approaching, the limit of any constant is the constant. So for instance, the limit as x approaches the limit as x approaches 100 of 4 is 4. And I'll show you the example of this. So if I have, this is my function 4. This is like y equals 4, for example, or f of x equals 4, I guess we should say. And no matter what x is, for on and on forever, it's going to be 4 all the way when we get to 100, all the way from wherever, because it is a constant. It doesn't change. Okay, so limit as x approaches 4 of negative 12 is negative 12. Okay, the limit of a polynomial, similarly, it's just kind of like a plug and chug here. Limit of polynomial as x approaches a is the value of the polynomial evaluated at a. So when you see the limit of a polynomial, I want you to think plug and chug. All right, so let's look at the limit of 2x. So I'm going to graph 2x. Maybe, if it lets me. Okay, there's my graph there. And it says x approaches 3, so 3 from the left. There's 3. 3 from the left, 3 from the right. It should approach 6 right here. Okay, so let's check by plugging that 3 in. So we have trying to remember the notation for this. So we have 2 times 3, which is 6 for that. Okay, this next one here, we'll plug 1 in. So this is equal to 1 squared, this one here, minus 4 times 1 plus 10. So 1 minus 4 plus 10 gives us 1 minus 4 is negative 3, plus 10 is 7. So this is equal to 7, and this to 6. Okay, it's really as easy as that. All right, the limit of the nth root of the function is by finding the limit of f of x, or that radicand, and then finding the nth root of the limit. So let's start with our first example here. These are a little bit close together. So first I need to find the limit as x approaches 1 of 3x squared plus 6. So that's going to be equal to 3 times 1 squared. Let me actually bring it down here. So this is equal to 3 times 1 squared plus 6, which is 9. Then I take whatever root, this is a 2, of that limit. So I'm going to then take the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So that is the limit of that whole thing. All right, for this next one here, we'll do it again. So we take the limit of the radicand. So limit as x approaches 4 of 2x minus 12. That's equal to 2 times 4 minus 12, or negative 4. Now, if I were to take the square root of that negative 4, I would get 2i. However, this is an imaginary number, which is no good. We can't have imaginary numbers, so this answer does not exist. Okay, that's all for today.